Now going through some of my different attachments, I saw had one of my in-house clips, so I went ahead and marked it for horizontal carry the way I would carry it. Didn't want to run you through that boring process, but this is my house-made clip. Boy, these things are strong. Anyway, that's my house-made Kydex clip right there. So I'm going to run it horizontal on the belt. It will have a cant that sits up, so my belt line will be about right here, and I can pull it out like that. All lock washer with clutches, stainless, black coated. Dogs barking. There's the awkward folding knife sheath. I'm glad that didn't go bad. I think a second take would have had more stitches. I do like that. I mean, you know, for what it is. So to sit like this, and I can get used to it. So that's it. That's the final thing. That's how we do them. And obviously, however I put my holes is, you know, however this thing can go. I could wear it straight up and down. I could actually put that inside the belt if I wanted to. I could put a thin clip on it. I can put whatever I want. I can put it this way, that way, that way. Hey, look. I can even do it the way it was, the pocket clip told it to, which would be tip down, up, tip up. But we're going to wear it tip sideways.